Welcome back to the channel. How about a Mexican lasagna? Have you ever had that? I've got my skillet heated up. I'm going to do it in the cast iron skillet. I mean, it's not real hot, but it's warm. I'm going to put a layer of cheese down. Yeah, it's warm enough you can hear the cheese sizzling. I love that when you're having your favorite Mexican food and it's kind of crispy on the edge and cooked. No, that's some good stuff. We're going to use sochia chips. They're a tortilla chip that's super thin. They don't have any salt on them. I'm going to try to get like 2 layers down as good as I can. I'll crumble some up over this, kind of fill in gaps. I've got some taco meat that I've cooked. It's got seasoning in it. It's got the juice in it, the flavor. Another layer of cheese. This taco meat was heated up. I've got some queso. If you like queso, this is a real easy queso to make. I've got a video on it. I warmed it up just a little bit and threw it in the fridge. I've got some refried beans, frijoles as people call them. I'll do a thin layer over here. And everything is seasoned. The queso season's really good. The taco meat is seasoned really good. These sochia chips are thin. They will get soft just like a lasagna noodle. Everything is cooked. All you have to do is just heat it up. Little cheese. And you've got the juice left in here. So I can drizzle just a little bit down over there. little bit more queso. A little bit more cheese. You can do the layers any way you want them. I just find this comes out really good. Got some real small sweet 100 tomatoes cut in half. I've got some chopped up jalapeno. It's only going on half of it. I don't want to set the wife on fire. I like attitude in all my food. Alright, I'm going to put some aluminum foil over the top of it. I'm going to spray this aluminum foil with butter spray just so that all the cheese and everything doesn't stick to it. And I'm going to cover the pan up. Yeah, that's a little warm. I'll use this old hot pad. Going in the air fryer for about 10 minutes. About 6 of it's going to be covered, and then I'll take the cover off and let the cover hold some moisture in. It's preheated and it's at 355 degrees. I'll check in at about 5 or 6 minutes whenever. Take the top off, and I just want to heat it through. Everything's cooked. We'll get a little brown crispy on top. See you back here in 7 or 8 minutes. See if I can get this bubbling baby out of here. Oh yeah, it's heavy too. How's that look? Gotta love Mexican lasagna. There she is, boys and girls, all dressed and ready to eat. This is going to be wonderful. You got to try this recipe. It's a really good one.